Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Backup if you need your data, because erasing is permanent. Once the backup finishes, make sure you know your Apple ID password and that Find My iPhone is turned off. Otherwise, activation lock blocks reuse. Make sure the device is on Wi-Fi and above 50% battery, or plug it in. Now, go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Choose Erase All Content and Settings. This begins the secure wipe, so the phone becomes like new. Once you confirm the erase, you'll enter your passcode and Apple ID. This authorizes removing activation lock and unpairing services. The phone writes zeros and restores factory settings. That can take 5-30 minutes depending on model. If you prefer, connect to a computer and use Finder or iTunes to choose Restore. This downloads and reinstalls the latest iOS, ensuring firmware and system files are fresh. Make sure not to interrupt restarts, and keep the device powered so the process completes cleanly. When the wipe finishes, you'll see the Hello Setup screen. That confirms a successful factory reset and no personal data remains. If you're gifting or selling, power off and remove SIM. If you're setting up, follow the on-screen prompts to restore from backup or start fresh. Make sure to test Wi-Fi and iCloud login. If activation lock or restore errors appear, sign in with the original Apple ID or use proof of purchase to contact Apple support, and try a different cable or recovery mode if.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.